3, 4 sad.
So, months of the year. How many are there?
37.
Getting close?
Nah.
Colder. 12 months of the year. You know, when I wrote the months down, I actually
That's it.
I had to count them. Give me some 12. Wow, that's it. It's 20.
Oh, dang it. I don't know, actually.
How do we make the teen word at the end?
Niest.
Yeah. So what's the word for 2?
12.
There it is.
There you
go.
12. So we have 12
20.
miesieci, right? So the word for moon and month is miesec.
Right?
So I looked up. These are words I'm not very familiar with, so I had to do some homework and look it up. I found a website, and it's learncroatian.eu, and I wanted to make sure I share that and give them proper compliments because they had the months of the year are not like we have in the States, like a January, February, March, where they're like named after, let's say, Roman emperors, or it's the September is the 7th month and October is the 8th month. Their months of the year are related to times of the year. So let's start off, and we'll kind of give you an example here. The first month of the year, Tony D, is January. So the word for January is Siječanj.
Siječanj.
So if you read it spelled, there's an NJ at the end.
There's a lot.
There's a lot going on there. It's confusing. So Siječanj, you don't really give that NJ, Siječanj, you don't give it too much emphasis, right? So that kind of flows like butter. It's like soft butter by the end. Siječanj. So Siječanj there's a word in there that means to cut. And then what the time of year in January is timber cutting time. So timber cutting time is, let's say, the coldest months in the year. This is time to cut all the leaves have fallen, right? And it's time to cut the logs and place them for the next season for burning for firewood. So obviously, back in the day, they're not going to have indoor heaters, central heating, or space heaters. Everyone's going to have a heater where you burn wood inside the house. So you're going to be stacking and cutting wood and stashing it away. You're going to have your stash of wood that, like, hey, it's getting cold, let's start to burn. So that's Siječanj. That's the word for cutting. Siječanj is January, Tony. Siječanj.
Siječanj.
Bravo. We have our next month, February. You say February or February?
February.
Never mind. February.
February.
The word for February is
Kukuroos.
Veljača.
What?
Veljača.
Veljača.
Right. So the word for February is Veljača.
Veljača.
And Veljača is, according to the site, it's a Slavic festival. That an old Slavic festival, they're thinking Velja is a big Velja noć, so a big night, a biggest night, the biggest festival. So noć we know is night. Velika is a word for big, so they're calling it Veljača.
So they named it after like a party, like a
yeah. Well,
nighttime
what's
festival.
what happens in February? We have Fat Tuesday. We have Lent, right? So those are those Mardi Gras. There's those festival days of 40 days of abstaining from whatever you're going to be abstaining from, and then you have the day before you're going to have the big night, a big party night, whether it be Mardi Gras or Carnival in some other parts of the world. Okay, moving on. Third month, March. The word for March is Ožujak.
Ožujak.
And this is an interesting translation. The lying month. Not like I'm telling fibs or telling untruths, but lying, like lying down because you don't know what's going to be going on outside. You're lying low. You're not going to be planting. You're not going to do a lot of work. It's the unstable weather month.
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
Interesting. March. Huh. March for us is spring, right? It's coming spring, but they're going to have rain and wind over there, right? So we have Ožujak.
Ožujak.
Wonderful. Moving on. April. The word for April is Travanj.
Travanj.
Bravo. So the word trava means grass. And what grows in April?
Grass.
Right? The grasses around grow, right? Travanj.
Travanj.
Bravo. Moving along. May. The word for May in Croatian is Svibanj.
Svibanj.
Bravo. Svibanj.
Svibanj.
So Svibanj, they give the explanation that this is the time for budding trees and plants, right? So the grasses are growing. That means the green is starting to happen, and that's when the flowers start to happen. And then we're gonna get into like this nice, really good pollination happening, and birds and bees and all that good stuff, right? And then we get on to the 6th month, June, Lipanj.
Lipanj.
These are some tough words, huh?
There's a lot of the yas at the end.
Yes, yeah. So it's not like a Lipanj, but you're giving it a little bit at the end. You know, Lipanj.
Lipanj.
A little taste.
Right. So the linden, it's linden-blissing time. So one of the famous things I used to drink as a kid was linden tea, linden flower, right? So
I think it's pronounced Lipton's tea.
Thank you, but no thank you. Lipanj. Okay. Lipanj, Tony?
Lipanj.
Hvala. Moving along to July, one of the best months to have a birthday if you're Uncle Mike. Just to note that for everyone paying attention. July is Srpanj. Srpanj.
Srpanj. There's an R in there.
Yeah, Srpanj.
Srpanj.
And the translation for that is harvest time. Harvesting,
In July?
gathering. I mean, maybe gathering some vegetables, some fruits going to be going on. I mean, depending on the season, you might have some smokva. You know, maybe some wheat in certain places. Okay, so yeah, you're collecting all of your wheat, all of these things, because leading into August, we have the word for August is Kolovoz.
Kolovoz.
And Kolovoz, I can give some better translations. The word kolo is a wheel. So right, so kolo is a wheel. Like there's the dance called the kolo, which is the actual, people get up in a circle and you spin around together. Voz is to drive, like vozite auto, to drive a car. Kolovoz. So a kolodvor is a basic, dvor is kind of like an area or like a land. So a land of wheels. Kolodvor is a bus station, bus terminal. So where you're meeting for like transit, right?
Wow.
So Kolovoz, here for the translation, they call it the time for driving the harvest wagon. So in July, we've been gathering everything. August, we're bringing it all together, right? And taking it to our next spot, whether we're bringing it out from the fields and bringing it close to home and kind of getting ready for the upcoming winter. Even though, let's say, August can be a really hot month, so it's a hard-working month, right? Long days, lots of daytime hours. September, we're moving along here. Rujan. Rujan. Even though I would imagine birds, they're mating earlier in the year, so they're spring offspring to have birds, right? Maybe it's a little bit different in Croatia for certain animals. So they're calling it the season of animal mating is Rujan. So these are some. Hey, we got 9 complicated words. We got 3 more to go, and I hope this is hitting the spot for Billy because these are some tough ones. October. This is a good one. October. Listopad. So, what we learned when we did weather, we did pada kisha. What's that mean?
Falling rain.
Yeah, rain's falling. Pada kisha. Or kisha pada. We also have sneg pada. Snow is falling, right?
Yeah.
Now we have listopad. So, pad is to fall. List is a leaf.
Hi. Yeah.
So, falling leaves. We're hitting autumn. A list also is a page in a book. There you go, right? The leaves of a book, right? Listopad. Very good. November. Studeni. Just translates to a cold one. Cold month.
Makes sense.
Yep.
You had your studenats, right? In Korčula, right?
Yeah.
It's kind of a common place, a cold place. Tony D. Studeni. Ponovi opet. Studeni. Bravo. And December, I think, is my favorite weird translation. The word for December is Prosinac. Prosinac is the month of begging.
I mean, I usually beg for what I want for Christmas.
Could be Christmas begging or begging for alms or I don't know. I'm trying to relate that. I don't want. I'm drawing blanks as to what you're going to be begging for.
Yeah.
Forgiveness. Going to church more because it's the holidays are coming.
I'm with Tony, probably for presents or something.
Okay.
That makes
It's the
the most
American,
sense.
the American, American
Yeah.
version. Okay. So very
Honestly.
good. Okay. Let's review all 12, and then I'm going to give you a shortcut at the end. So
Yes.
All right.
here's
I will say that hearing these with their like pseudo definitions, I like that they have these words have purpose.
Yeah.
yes.
It's
yeah.
nice. It's
Yeah,
nice.
it's-
It's refreshing actually.
It's way different than
Like what does March mean? What does
yeah.
May mean? You know?
March, we're not going anywhere. We're marching
Exactly.
for what? May? Yeah. April? Yeah. It's that's we're referring to olden times. This is definitely like functional. Functional words. The word for January, Tony, Siječanj.
Siječanj.
Bravo. February is Veljača.
Veljača.
Super. The word for March, Ožujak.
Ožujak.
Bravo. April is Travanj.
Travanj.
Right, so we got the word trava in there. Just the kind of grass that you walk on, fellas. May, Svibanj.
Svibanj.
Bravo. June is Lipanj.
Lipanj.
July is Srpanj.
Srpanj.
Super. August, Kolovoz.
Kolovoz.
Bravo. September is Rujan.
Rujan.
Super. October is Listopad.
Listopad.
Leaves are falling in Listopad.
Listopad.
November, Studeni.
Studeni.
I love that word, Studeni.
Studeni.
Like studenomia. I'm cold. I'm chilly. Studeni, right? Studeni.
Studenomia.
Studenomia, right? Like slabomia.
Mm-hmm.
Studenomia.
Slavomia,
Yeah.
Studenia.
Yeah.
Yeah.
December, Prosinac.
Prosinac.
Bravo.
Don't forget to hit subscribe and smash that like button.